So, of course, 2 o'clock in the morning, my smoke detector starts to chirp. And so I haven't replaced the batteries in over a year. I thought for sure it was a battery, and I go and replace the battery, and it still chirped. And then I noticed on the back of it, it had these lists here, and I was actually getting 3 chirps, which says replace the alarm, it malfunctioned. So they're pretty easy to disconnect. They just have unscrew it, you twist it off and then unplug it. And then when you plug the new one in, it's keyed, so it'll only go in one way. And then you can spin it back on. You have that tab there to pull for the battery. And one thing I noticed when I went to replace the battery originally was that I forgot to look and see which way the positive was, and then trying to find the marking on the smoke detector was pretty difficult. It's way inside the holder there. So look at the back of your detector if replacing the battery doesn't fix it.